Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are all doing well. My name is Wiratana Wasista, and today I would like to talk about hobbies and why they are important in our daily lives. First of all, let me start with a simple question. After a long day of studying, doing assignment or working, what do you usually to relax? Some people scroll on their phones, some people listen to the music, and others do the activity they are really enjoy. Those enjoyable activities are what we call hobbies. A hobby is an activity that we choose to do in our free time because it brings us pleasure and satisfaction. It is not something we do because we are forced to, but because we want to. Hobbies are personal meaning. Each person can have different hobby depending on their interests, personality, and lifestyle. Some hobbies are quiet, such as reading or writing, while others are active, such as playing sport or traveling. Hobbies are very important in our lives because they help us maintain balance in our daily routines. We often feel pressure from responsibilities such as deadline, exams, or work targets. If we focus only on those responsibilities, we can easily feel stressed and tired, both mentally and physically. Hobbies give us break from the pressure. They allow our mind to rest and our emotion to feel lighter. Another important role of hobbies is stress management. When we do activity we enjoy, our body naturally feels more relaxed, our mood becomes better, and our energy slowly gets charged. This is why people who have hobby often feel happier and more motivated in their daily life. Hobbies help us recharge so we can face our responsibility again with a fresh mindset. Everyone has different hobbies, and all of them are equally valuable. Some people enjoy creative hobby such as drawing, singing, or playing music. Others prefer intellectual hobby like reading, learning a new language, or solving a puzzle. There are also physical hobbies such as jogging, running, cycling, swimming, and each other. Each hobby has its own benefit depending on what person needs. So, in my case, I have three hobby, which are watching a football match, playing football, and playing games. Watching football match helps me relax and enjoy my free time while also teaching me important values such as teamwork, discipline, strategy, and perseverance. Because football is not only about winning but also about cooperation and effort. Playing football helps me stay physically active and healthy, improve my stamina and coordination, and also develops my social skills such as communication, teamwork, and respect for others. Because football is a team sport that requires good cooperation. Playing games, on the other hand, helps me to reduce stress and sharpen my concentration, problem solving skills, and decision making ability, especially in games that require strategy and quick thinking. Even though these hobbies are fun, I always try to manage my time wisely so that my hobbies do not interface with my responsibility. Because I believe that hobbies should support our lives, not control it. Besides giving enjoyment, hobby also help us develop ourselves. Through hobby, we can learn new skills, improve our ability, and even discover our hidden talents. Sometimes what starts as a simple hobby can later become a skill, a passion, or even a future career. This shows that hobbies are not a waste of time, but an investment in a personal growth. Hobbies also helps us building social connection. When we share hobby with others, We can easily make friends and strengthen relationships, like playing sports together, discussing common interests, or simply enjoying activities with others creates as a sense of belonging. Humans are social beings, and hobby can bring people closer together. However, it is important to remember that hobby must be done in balance. Even positive activity can become negative if done excessively. Math is shown time management very important. We should always prioritize our responsibility and use hobby as a way to relax, not as an excuse to avoid ourselves. So, in the conclusion, hobby are an essential part of balanced and healthy life. They help us relax, reduce stress, develop skills, and maintain emotional well-being. A hobby is not just an activity to fill free time, but a meaningful part who we are as individuals. Through my hobby, I learned how to balance enjoyment and responsibility, how to take care of my physical and mental health, and how to appreciate my free time in a positive way. I truly believe that having hobbies make life more enjoyable, meaningful, and complete. So, thank you very much for your attention. That's all about the hobby and their importance in our lives. I hope you enjoy my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.